Hi awesome learners, welcome to create your portfolio with Flask beginners tutorial series. This is the final video of this tutorial series. In this part we are going to explore how we will edit the link in Navbar. Look what we have done, we have just created an awesome website, but the Navbar is not working. Okay, everything else is working but Navbar is not working. Don't worry, we are going to just write some lines of codes over here. After that we will get everything. Okay, so what we have done, we have let me show you the index page. Okay, let me show you the index.html file first. Okay, all pages are inheriting index page. Okay, look at it. When we are writing about, it's not referring to any. When we are writing experience, it is not referring. When education, not referring. Okay, here we are going to give our route. For about is our index page, so we can place slash over here. Experience, for experience, are you thinking we are going to write slash experience? No, that's not the good way. Okay, so we are going to use ginger technique another time. Okay, ginger logic, oh sorry, ginger technique, not ginger logic. Okay, these are ginger logic. I am just okay, so url for okay, url for what? Url for education, sorry, experience. Okay, sorry, I can't. URL for experience, sorry, experience. Spelling is maybe correct, I don't know, I am so in spelling, so just forgive me for that. And I am going to place everywhere this. Okay, url for and url for. Okay, so that is experience, then that is, this is education. I'm going to edit. Okay, education, then this is skills, skills, and after that interest, then that hours, RTS. Okay, cool. Let me save this. Okay, I have saved the index page. Okay, fine. Let me just restart my server. Further move, Control C, and let me restart this. Okay, my server is restarted. Let me just go to the home page by hitting only slash enter. Okay, I know I have done an error. Okay, interest. Okay, interest. Okay, endpoint interest. Okay, this, okay, let me show you the error. Okay, he is saying me that could not build URL for the endpoint interests. Do you mean interest? Look what happened. I have defined, the error is showing that I have defined, I'll let me go to interest. Okay, route page. Look, I have defined a route for interest. Okay, and inside index.html I am finding URL for interests. So the extra is, it's not understanding, so it's give me error. Are you looking for interest? So I am editing that. Okay, that's cool. I am saving the, I have saved that. So let me just restart my server, hitting Control C, close the server, man, then restart it, python app.py, then let me go to home page, refresh. Wow, awesome coder, something went wrong, man. Okay, let me go to about page first. About, oh, experience. Okay, I get experience. Education, I got education. Skills, I get skills. Interest, I get interest. Hours, I get hours. Okay, the about section is something error in about section. Let me get that. Okay, then I am going to hit slash about. Oh, not found. Okay, what error is slash? Okay, about the HTML. Okay, let me check that about the HTML. Okay, I've written every code. I have to save the codes for. Okay, I have saved that. Let me just refresh. Oh, what happening, man? Okay, let me check app.py and slash. Oh, sorry, here it is index.html. It should be about.html. About, .html. Cool. Control save and just go to that, just hit refresh. Oh sorry, oh we have not restarted the server, it's my fault. Okay, and restart the server. Okay, we get it. About.html. Okay, fine. About experience, education, skills, interest, and hours. Okay, I have done some mistakes. What I am going to correct in my website, and when you are copying the files, it will be cool. Okay, the navbar part, the index page, and this silly mistakes I will correct inside my website, and you can fetch every correct code from my website. So thank you for attending this session, and I am going to just make more interesting and powerful the websites. Okay, so stay tuned with us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you.